shouting out. Everything's running through myself. There is no hope for me, and I move out of my head, out of my sight, like a stream carrying everything away. The flood is running into my open mouth. It's leaking out my neck, it goes down my spine. Give me a break, give me a word. Occupy me and go far, far away from where we once began. Multiply and forget what it was before. No hunting eyes able to look into me. Pulled myself up here by my own hair. I made a thought stay. This I celebrate. Something real hard, feeling all soft. Let me know if you found a better place. I want to come, follow you, be with you. We can calm down, we can share a view. Give me a break, give me a word. Occupy me and go far, far away from where we once began. Multiply and forget what it was before. Vielen Dank.